जो कि हमारे हैंडमेड हैंड नॉटेड कारपेट्स हैं, मशीन विशीन के नहीं है, हमारे कश्मीर प्योर कश्मीर हैंडमेड हैंड नॉटेड कारपेट्स ये रहेंगे सर क्वालिटीज।
तो क्या प्राइस पड़ता है भैया इसका?
कौन सा वाला सर?
तो इसका रेट
This is in a square feet. If we talk about this one, this will be 2,500 rupees a square feet like that. This is silk and cotton.
हे गाइस, इट्स योर बॉय अमूल्य मनसोत्रा। वेलकम टू माय द वीडियो। कैसे हैं आप सब? आज मैं आया हूँ कालीन देखने। कश्मीर में कालीन मतलब आपको हर घर में मिलेंगे, हर घर के कमरे में मिलेंगे कालीन। मतलब बहुत शौक से अपने कमरों में कालीन रखते हैं। ये कालीन की फैक्ट्री है, कारपेट फैक्ट्री है यहाँ पे किस प्राइस पे आपको मिलेगा और ये आपको होम डिलीवरी भी आपके घर पहुँचा देंगे। अब किस प्राइस पे आपको मिलेगा और क्या प्राइस है कालीन का वो मैं आपको जाके बताता हूँ, और कालीन बनता कैसे है ये भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा। चलिए मेरे साथ।
You are here at a Kashmir. So Kashmir is famous for the handmade hand knotted carpets, especially silk carpets. In world there are the three type of quality carpets. So one is the handmade hand knotted, which we Iran and Turkey are making. Then second one is the hand woven. If you talk about the hand woven carpets, Belgium, Badoy, other places of the world they are making the hand woven carpet. And third one is the machine made. Machine made carpets, Chandigarh, Amritsar, Punjab, Ludhiana, they are making the machine made carpets. So normally they are making the carpets in village. In village they have a crop field, they have orchards, so they take care well as their crop field as the carpets. They have a big window, most of the daylights coming in. No more than 2 to 3 hours a day we work, then we do farming. Farming is a major source of income for a family, not carpet making. You may have seen carpet making before, like in Turkey, in Egypt, in Iran, Morocco, Tunisia, China, or sometime on television. What you're going to experience today is not carpet making. You would understand the basic of this great art, which is dying out today. If you have been to Metropolitan Art Museum, New York, they happens to have an art from this house, which is about 743 years old. 743. DNA London, Victoria Albert Museum London, exhibitions from the different parts of the world. So our message is, please walk on your carpets home. Most of the time people try to walk around them. Walk around them. Parents will tell children not step on them, having their own reasons, not know to that. So the best in the world we do, we sit on our carpets, we do yoga, meditation, we do prayers as well. Each of the designs would have personal toes like this there. This. The patterns are written down on the sheets of papers in code balloons. Everything is codified, which is from right to left. A message of the color along with the place and the number is given. So we all focus. We would pick up the right color from the top, simply here, moving on the right spot. Choose 2 strings from the frame, one from the front frame and one from the back. Simply we move the material in a figure of alphabet 8, join the 2 ends with a twist, pull it down to the base, and we use this cliff knife. This is very sharp. We use this cliff knife to relieve the material, and it leaves us a one tiny point on the carpet. I repeat again, it's the same front row and a back row. We remove the material in a figure of alphabet 8, join the 2 ends with a twist, pull it down to the base. We use this cliff knife to relieve the material, and it leaves us a one tiny point of the carpet. If a carpet happens to have 500,000 or more, we have to move a figure of alphabet 8 500,000 times. And this is 21st century. This will be a passion and patience. We are losing it very fast. After completion of a knot, we use this relocking thread. This has no pedal shaft, this is changeover. We use this we change it over. We use this completion thread in between the 2 rows, and we use this curve comb to spice the thread. And it leaves us one knot of the carpet. One knot of the. Most of the time, a tiny one can take huge time than a bigger one, because some patterns are more intricate, some are less intense. Some patterns are more intricate, some are less intense. The carpet you see here it will take near about 9 to 11 months to complete a carpet like this. If you talk about the handmade and hand knotted carpets, they would always take uniform time. After completing the carpet, the most of the senior person in the family starts shearing a carpet. Shearing, we have a carpet scissors like this. Shearing a carpet is like polishing a rough diamond. The senior person of the family knows how much to shear off it. If a carpet is more compact, we can shear it deeper. Deeper we shear it, it adjusts to the definition and gets more crisp. If a carpet is repacked, we can leave it thicker. You may feel better while you walk on the thicker carpets, because more thick is, weaker it is. More thinner it is, stronger it is. After completing the carpet, we wash it 3-4 times. Make sure the color will not run out from it. Normally we wash our carpets, especially antiques, in a time of winter, in snow, because we have a lot of snow here at Kashmir. We have a lot of snow. We shake the bell, the most senior person in the family comes out. We have a carpet beaters. We tap it. Then we put it for a dry. The best way to dry every carpet is air drying method, what we are using. And this is the warp, as you see. This is the warp, as you see, tana. This is the cotton.
Yes.
And the bana is silk. This is supposed to be 80-20.
See, for example, whenever a layman comes to your office,
Yeah.
how can check the
I'll
quality?
show you.
Quality.
I'll show you.
Quality,
I'll
yes.
show you.
Whether it is a good quality.
This is one quality. You can see the reverse of this one. Come closer, sir. I'll explain. You can see the reverse of this one.
reverse is the same. It looking like the same.
It's the same, but
Same.
see, this is not as fine as knitting
As
it
fine.
is.
Yes, yes.
See. इसमें उतनी
is-
फाइन निटिंग
this
नहीं
is the-
होती है
to check
क्योंकि
on the
इसकी जो नंबर ऑफ नॉट्स वो लेस है. ये रहेगा 18/18 का.
कौन से नोट्स?
जो ये नॉट्स रहते हैं ना ताना बाना पर्स कैरिज, ये रहेगा 18/18 का. दिस इज सिल्क एंड कॉटन. सिल्क एंड कॉटन विल बी 18/18. बस जोल कोई ना खन सा जोल कोई ना खन जब लूम पे देख रहे थे हाई नंबर ऑफ नॉट्स. इसकी जो वॉप रहेगा वो सिल्क रहेगा और जो वेफ्ट भी रहेगा वो भी सिल्क रहेगा. हैव अ लुक दिस वन. Look at the sheen. See the sheen, shine. See the colors from this end. When we turn, it totally changes. Nowadays, you told me that you had a good question. So how would you recognize that this is the high quality? See. Excuse me, sir. Sorry to see that. Come closer. Come closer. See. Look at the knitting of this one. Compare both of. See how fine knitting it is. It's like a French back tapestry on a back side. Look at this one.
Which is more purity?
This is. Number of knots will be high, quality will be thinner. Look at the thickness of it. Number of knots will be less, quality will be thicker. You can feel by hand. See, you will feel that you are feeling a horseback texture on your feet. These are the specialty of the Kashmir carpets.
क्या प्राइस रहेगा अभी इसका?
ये रहेगा सर 2.5 लाख का.
2.5 लाख का जी.
ये सिलिकॉन सिल्क रहेगा 30/30. Near about 1200 knots per square inch. ये वाला ये पड़ेगा आपको 65,000 रुपीज़ का.
65,000
जी.
ओके.
ये सिलिकॉन सिल्क रहेगा. दिस विल बी अबाउट 75 knots per square inch. This will be about 110.
110. ओके.
This is again silicon cotton. This will be about 1.5 or 1.6. This is again this will cost you 75. This is silicon cotton. This will be exactly 110 to 1.5.
Question is very simple.
Yes, sir.
How this carpet comes to the reach of the poor people? The poor, how does and how many times and how the days will the poor people see that they should have such a carpets in their homes?
Yes.
Because the cost of the carpets are very high.
Because
Because of the fact nowadays
Yeah.
that even our Air India or other aeroplanes are also going to become very cheaper.
Yes.
You please let me know that how much time is to reach to the destination of those people who are the poorest and downtrodden people, because the demands of the poor people are very much.
Nowadays-
Because the market, if you sell these carpets to those people,
Yeah.
this demands will, the marketing will boom. in the
Yeah,
Kashmir
that's it.
market.
I'll tell you this also. See, nowadays, if you talk about the young generation, they don't have a passion and patience to make the carpets. Before, I'm talking before 20 years or 25 years ago, we have a lot of families who are making the carpets in village. Nowadays, we have only bit families left. Because this art is dying. People don't have a passion and patience to make that type of things. If you talk about the young generation, nowadays they have a mobile phones, they have internets, they have other facilities as well. So they are not able to make the carpets.
It means it is very difficult to reach at the destination and the doorstep of the poor people.
Yes.
But I must say that a modus operandi should be prepared like this, that like such of the poor people.
Yeah.
Because our country is very big country.
Our country is-
nowadays,
nowadays-
for example, peoples are very high demand. People,
If you-
even poor country are making. It means these are the passion to come for the rich people.
Yes.
Not for the poor people.
Nowadays-
and if your this factory is such like
We have a 6,700 families.
that is true. That is true.
Well,
That,
well,
that
making
is
the
that is
carpets,
that is
yes.
that is true. 600 families are maybe you're to form a cooperative.
Yes, we are a
You have
cooperative of
cooperative.
6,700
You-
families.
Does it take these families are self-reliant cooperative or a simple cooperative?
No, they are self-competitive.
Yeah. In my suggestion, you should go for the self-reliant cooperative.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it should be done in the Cooperative Act.
Yes.
There is a
We're
cooperative.
done in the Cooperative
This is a
Act.
Cooperative Act 1997 is what it called in 1997 because it is add information for you. If you have 6,000 families who are working in this field,
Yeah.
you should go for the registration of it. Please let me know these families are registered under ESI.
These are registered families.
No, these families are registered under ESI.
They are registered family because we are
No,
from
my question
we
is
are here from
my
since
question is
1910.
very simple. Whether these families are registered under ESI or
Yes,
not.
these families are registered.
They get the benefits of all
Yeah, they
life
get-
insurance
they
and
get
everything.
everything.
Because you are a big,
We provide them everything.
you are a big magnet. You
Yes.
are a big magnet for the Jammu and Kashmir. You are a big magnet. But my question is, these family should also be should be trained in like that it should be give a more work on this carpet so that
Nowadays-
it should be become for the poor people.
Yes, nowadays in market.
For example, if I know that I am a middle class family.
Yeah.
For example, if I come to your this factory,
Yeah.
if it is beyond my reach,
Yeah.
but my passion is to bring these activity, this product to my home,
Yeah.
because just like Apple nationwide,
Yeah.
what it called now your Kashmir apple has become a Apple dining table nationwide. In every houses, every dining tables, even they have dining table, have their own dining table in their house, even in a small table. But you will find the Kashmir apple on the table.
Table.
Table.